Welcome back. Today I'm replacing the keypads of this microwave. It's a Ramtom microwave. The reason is that it started with some buttons not working. Then the main button stopped working, the start button. For this I'll have to replace the keypad. The problem is brought about by using wet hands or using the microwave in a place that has a lot of moisture. This keypad is made up of graphite or carbon that is in between the layers. So if the carbon gets wet, it erodes and the keypad stops working. The best solution is replacing it, and this is what I'm going to do. Watch this for fun, but please don't try this at home. If you have reached this far, follow for more.